Today I'm going to make a special dish that is mainly eaten by the Ivorians, and it's called Kedjenou, and it's so delicious. You can eat it with rice or any carbohydrate, and if you like a lot of meat, eat it just alone. So I will invite you to my kitchen now, and then we're going to prepare Kedjenou. Hello and welcome back to Omo Alluah. Thank you so much, sunshines, viewers, everyone who has been subscribing and sending messages on Omo Alluah. Today I'm going to make a special dish that is mainly eaten by the Ivorians, and it's called Kedjenou. Kedjenou de Poulet, because poulet is chicken, so Kedjenou de Poulet, or you can just shorten it to say Kedjenou. It's a spicy stew that is slow cooked in a sealed cannery pot over fire or coals, and prepared with chicken or guinea fowl and with a lot of vegetables. It is a traditional and popular dish of the Ivorians. And for the ingredients, you need chicken, Maggi cubes. I normally use shrimp powder instead of Maggi cube. You need scotch bonnet, bell peppers, spring onions, garlic, ginger, cooking oil, salt, carrots, or any vegetables that you would like to add. Add any vegetables of your taste. So to prepare it, you get your already cut. If you don't know how to cut guinea fowl or chicken, you get one that is already cut, wash it nicely, put it in the pot. When I observed it being done, when I visited Ivory Coast or Cote D'Ivoire, they cooked it on a coal pot, but today I'm using the slow cook because I don't have that. So I'm going to wash the chicken into the slow cook and put all the vegetables in. I know it's nice to eat vegetables when they are just slightly boiled, but this time along it's going to boil with the chicken, and everything is going to mix together to give it a special taste. So put the chicken in the pot, oil, everything together, all the ingredients together, and just leave it to boil, to cook. And I remember my big sister who prepared it for me when I visited there with Omo Alluah. She would just cook it and go and take it from the coal and shake it and put it on. So since I don't have that method, I will just stir it until it's well cooked. I'm serving mine today with rice. Bon appétit, mon ami, and I hope you enjoy it with me because it's really nice, spicy and delicious. So welcome to Cote d'Ivoire, welcome to Ivory Coast. Thank you.